It's like a family tree.
I'm Roman and here I am in Manhattan, and this is specifically Times Square. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoy the view. Okay, Tusa, all of this is for you.
And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Manhattan, specifically at the Empire State Building, which is one of the tallest buildings here in New York, or simply in the United States, I believe, that has over 100 stories. So that's simply incredible. And as I said, comme j'ai bien dit, salut Sacha, Arthur et mes élèves. I told you I would have mentioned your names in my video. So take a look at the Empire State Building. So basically, this is the best view I can get since it's hard to find parking. I came in a car, I didn't take public transport, and it's just really difficult to get closer to see everything. It's a super tall building, so you won't see it all. But yeah, say, enjoy. Also, here we have city bikes. You can observe that they are quite unique. And how do you know that they are city bikes? It's literally there. It literally says city bike. So if you want to move around quite economically and fast, then it would be the ideal option. Alright, so let's go. On y va.